Namaste. Welcome to my channel Adv.Abhilash Law Classes. Last video we have discussed the topic of IPC self-defense. All sections are provisions of sections self-defense are 96 to 106. And I got some few feedbacks from my videos. And thanks to our advocates, senior advocates, and my friends, those are supporting me. So today we will discuss the topic of CRPC, Preventive Action of Police. All these sections are provided in CRPC. Those are section 149 to 153. So let's see 149 section what it says. Police to prevent cognizable offences. Every police officer may interpose for the purpose of preventing and shall, to the best of his ability, prevent the commission of any cognizable offences. Every police officer has a duty to prevent any type of cognizable offences. That section 149 says. After that, the section 150. 150 it means information of design to commit cognizable offences. Every police officer receiving information of a design to commit any cognizable offences shall communicate such information to the police officer to whom he is subordinate and to any other officer whose duty it is to prevent or to take cognizance of the commission of any such offense. Okay. If a police officer gets some information from any sources to happen any type of cognizable offenses and designing that planning any type of planning conspiracy of any type of cognizable offenses information, in that time the police officer has the power to prevent that offense. This section 150 to provide the power of the police officer. Any police officer has the power to prevent that commission of cognizable offences. After that, the section 151, what it says: arrest to prevent the commission of cognizable offences. Subsection 1 of section 151, a police officer knowing of a design to commit any cognizable offences may arrest without orders from a magistrate and without a warrant the person so designing, if it appears to such officer that the commission of the offence cannot be otherwise prevented. Okay. Subsection 2 of section 151. No person arrested under subsection 1 shall be detained in custody for a period of exceeding 24 hours from the time of his arrest, unless his further detention is required or authorized under any other provisions of this code or of any other law for the time being in force. So 151, what it says, it means if any cognizable offenses, it seems to be possible, it seems to be happen in the society, in our premises, in our surrounding, in our environment, the police officer, it feels like it will be happen. So in that time, police officer can arrest to them, because that is a cognizable offenses. If someone kept some explosive bombs, explosive like a gun, pistol, this type of things has kept inside his pen. Okay, in that time, police officer feels it will be happen a very dangerous things in our surrounding, in our society. So it should be appropriate to take a decision like a arrest. So police officer can arrest to them. And the subsection 2, it says the police officer below 24 hours to produce to the local magistrate. Okay, so this section it says. Section 152, prevention of injury to public property. A police officer may of his own authority interpose to prevent any injury attempted to be committed in his view to any public property, movable or immovable, or the removal or injury of any public landmark or buoy or other mark used for navigation. Okay, so prevention of injury public property. If someone to harm any public property, the police officer has entitled to prevent that offense because those are considered in our public property. The public property harmed by someone else, so the police officer can stop them to to take any preventive action. So this is the section 152 of crpc. 153, what it says: inspection of weights and measures. Subsection 1 of section 153: any officer in charge of police station without a warrant enter any place within the limits of such station for the purpose of inspecting or searching for any weights or measures or instruments for weighting used or kept therein, whenever he has reason to believe that there are in such place any weights, measures, or instruments for the weighting which are false. Subsection 2 of section 153: if he finds in such place any weights, measures, or instruments for weighting which are false, he may seize the same and shall forthwith give information procedure to the magistrate having jurisdiction. Okay, so here is the power of police officer. Those are doing any type of mischief to in the case of measuring, weight measuring cases, the police officer has power to prevent that cases those are having doing those are doing false measures, false weight measures, and to report to the local magistrate in the jurisdiction. So this section 153 it means. Okay, so today our class is over. So we have discussed the provisions of preventive action of police. The next video I will try the very important topic to discuss to our friends and to our viewers. Till then, goodbye, and share my video and like, as well as cooperate to me. Any doubt, any queries, please comment in my video. Thank you.